In this lesson, we will revise lesson 4-4, that is about multiplying rational numbers. Use the rules of multiplying integers to multiply rational numbers. Now, you see that we have -1/2 and -4/5. So what are the rules? First, we will write here the rules. Multiply negative and negative will give you positive. If we have one negative, one positive, that is called opposite sign. It is negative. Positive multiplied by negative is again negative, and positive multiplied by positive sign is positive. So these are the rules. Like same sign, answer positive. Opposite signs, negative. So here we have same sign, so answer will be positive. How do we multiply the fraction? We multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So here it is 1 times 4 and 2 times 5 is 10. So we have 4/10. Now we see that we can divide both of them by 2, divide by 2 and divide by 2. It will give us 2/5. Our answer should be in the simplest form. So we cannot divide 2/5 anymore. So 2/5 is the answer. Question number 2, again negative sign. It is negative times negative will give you positive answer. We have 3/8 and 8/9. 3 times 8 will give you 24 and 8 times 9 will give you 72. Now if you see, we have the common divisor, that is 2 divided with 2 and divided with 2, it will give you 12/36. Again, if you see that, we know that 12 one time is 12 and 12 times 3 is 36. So in the simplest form it is 1/3. There is another method. What you can do here, we had 3/8 times 8/9. You can see if you can cancel them. So if I see here 8 one time is 8, 8 one time is 8. Here if you look on the other sides, 3 one time is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. So this is 1 and 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3, so 1/3. So this is another way to solve. If you don't know how to cross cancel and simplify them, you can just use this method, multiply the numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, and then keep simplifying unless you get the simplest form. Same way, negative sign and negative sign will give you the positive answer. You have 1 times 4 and 4 times 5. You can either cancel 4 with 4, or you can multiply 4 1 times 4 and 4 5 times 20. Then again you will divide the numerator and denominator with 4. Your answer within the simplest form is 1/5. If you want to use the cancellation, what it will become? It will become 1/4 times 4/5. Here you can cross cancel 4 with 4, 1 and 1, 1 1 times 1 and 5 1 times 5. So both methods you are going to get the same answer. Now what do we have? We have mixed numbers. How do we multiply or solve any mixed number? First step, we write them into improper fraction. So how do we write? So we will do it. It is 1/4/9. So we will multiply the denominator with the whole number and add the numerator. 9 1 times 9 plus 4, 13/9. If we see 2 4/7, here 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. 18/7. Now positive and negative sign is opposite sign, so answer will be negative. And 13 times 18 and 9 times 7. Here again we can cancel this way. This 9 one time is 9 and 9 two time is 18. Now 13 times 2 is 26/7. Now we have improper fraction. We will keep 26 inside, divide by 7. 7 3 times 21, and what is left? 5. So we will start from here. 3 whole 5/7. That is our answer. I will solve one more question with you. With the help of that, you can solve the next questions yourself. So again, here we have mixed number 1 1/10. So 10 1 times 10 plus 1 11/10. And we have 6 7/8, 8 times 6 is 48 plus 5 plus 7 is 55 over 8. So now multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. If you know how to cancel, you can cancel them, otherwise multiply them. Now I can see both of them are divisible by 5. It will give you 121 over 16. Then do the long division. Here you will keep 121. Always the numerator goes inside. You will divide it with 16 and you will get this answer, -7 wholes 9 over 16. Similarly, you can practice the next questions yourself. Another example, we have two mixed number with negative sign multiplied by negative times negative will give you positive answer. We will convert both numbers into improper fractions. Then 21 times 14 and 4 times 3. Here we know that 3 1 time is 3 and 3 7 time is 21. Another, you can see that 2 2 time is 4 and 2 7 time is 14. If you don't know this cancellation method, no problem, multiply 21 with 14 and 4 with 3 and then simplify them. Either way you are going to get the same answer. Now I have 7 times 7 and 2 times 1. 7 times 7 will give me 49 and 2 times 1 will give me 2. Now what is my next thing? I will keep 49 inside and divide with 2. 2 times is 4. I will bring 9 down. 2 4 times is 8 and I will be left over with 1. So as a mixed number, I can write it as 24.5. Now if we have one number as a fraction and one number as a decimal, either we can convert both of them as a fraction or both of them as a decimal. So here I have 2.4 and we know that 2.4 means 24 over 10. So write both of them as fractions, multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Then 24 over 60, we know that both of them are divisible by 2. So it will give us 12 over 13. Again, if you see, again they are divisible by 2 or they are also divisible by 6. Then 12 divided by 2 is 6, 30 divided by 2 is 5. Again 3 and 3, it will give you 2 over 5 or 0.4 as a decimal. Now here directly, even if you know, you can directly divide it with 12, directly divide here with 6, any method. If you are taking 2, 2 and 3, the steps are longer, it's fine. Otherwise, if you know that 24 over 60, both of them are divisible by 12, so directly also you can divide them. 24 divided by 12 will give you 2, 60 divided by 12 will give you 5, 2 over 5. Either way you are going to get the same answer. So any simplification method you can use to simplify your answer. Now I have one fraction and one decimal. Opposite signs will give me negative answer. 3.75 gives me 375 over 100. 375 times 2 is 750 and then it is 100 times 5 is 500. I can cancel 1 0 up and down. It will give me 75 over 50. Here I am going to divide it with 25 and 25. That will give me 3 over 2, and as a mixed number it is 1 1 over 2. And if you are writing 2 over 5, another method 2 over 5, you can write it as 0 over 4, and when you will multiply them your answer will be a decimal. And in this step here also, if you don't know how to directly divide it with 25, no problem, you can divide it with 75 and 25 with 5 and 5. 75 divided by 5 will give you 15. 25 divided by 5 will give you 3. Again one more step you will increase and you will divide it with 5 and 5, 3 over 2. Then again you can write it as mixed number or as a decimal. So either way you are going to get the same answer. So it's up to you which method you want to use for the question. We have another question with one fraction and one decimal. Again, here I am converting 8.6 as 86 over 100. Negative and negative will become positive. 86 times 1 is 86. 4 10 times is 40. Now I will divide it with 2. It will give me 43 over 20. Here I divided it with 2. Now keep 43 inside and divide with 20. 20 times 2 will give me 40 and I will left with 3. Or if you are converting 1 over 4 as 0.25, then you are multiplying them, your answer will be 2.15. Any method you can simplify them. Evaluate each expression when the values of x, y and z are given. Write the product in the simplest form. Here we will replace the value of x and y. X and y, two numbers together, as I already have told you that x and y are x dot y, x multiplied by y. All of them have same meaning, that they are being multiplied. Even if they are written in the brackets x and another bracket y, all of them have same meaning, that you are going to multiply them. So 1 over 4 times negative 2 over 3 times 3 over 5. How do we multiply the fraction? We multiply the numerators with numerators and denominators with denominator. We have one negative sign, so our answer will be negative. Here 2 times 3 is 6 and 4 3 times 5 is 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. Now we can see that both of them are divisible by 6. So we got negative 1 over 10. That is our answer, or you can write it as decimal negative 0.1. So here we have negative 4 over 5 multiplied by x multiplied by z. So what are the values? We will replace them. Here now we have three negative sign. Negative multiplied by negative will become positive, but the third negative sign will again change it to the negative. So our answer will be negative. You will convert this mixed number into improper fraction. 8 1 times 8 plus 7, 15 over 8. Multiply the numerators together and denominators together. You will get 120. Your top and down both are 120. A number divided by same number gives us 1. So negative 1 is the answer. Another example, 1 over 2yz. Now we will replace y and z with the fractions given. We will convert the improper fraction into a mixed number. We have one negative sign, so our answer will be negative. Multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 15 times 3 is 45. 2 5 times 10 plus 10 times 8 is 80. Now you can divide both of them with 5. 45 divided by 5 gives us 9 and 80 divided by 5 gives us 19. Our numerator is less than the denominator, so we cannot simplify it anymore. So this is your answer. Evaluate minus xyz when the values are given. First step, replace the value of x, y and z. One of them is a mixed number, other two are the decimals. So you can convert all of them into mixed numbers or fractions. Simplify them. We had two negative sign, negative and negative will become positive. Then multiply the numerators with numerators and denominators with denominators. Or if you can simplify them. Like here 84 and 10, they both are divisible by 2. And here 25 and 25. So 84 divided by 2 is 42, 10 divided by 2 is 5, 25 divided by 25 is 1, 100 divided by 25 is 4. So we got little simpler numbers. Now multiply the numerators and denominators. You got 798 over 100 divided by 2 will give you 399 over 50, and it is as a mixed number 749 over 50, or as a decimal 7.98. Either in this question you can convert this 3 4 over 5 to a decimal. How? times 2 times 2, it will give you 3 8/10. That is 3.8. So now either you can multiply them decimals, you will get this answer, or you can use this method.